adrenaline all too fast.
I can get used to this life. The fact that I wake up, I look over my room window and I can see the beach, I get on the boardwalk and come to the beach and relax. Rent these umbrellas for 25 bucks. Our chairs that we own. It's cost efficient. But I will not live in Maryland. This is not my type of state to live in. Because obviously it still gets cold over here and I'm trying to go somewhere where it gets nice and warm. Hopefully you guys liked the video from last night, which was extremely hilarious. The fact that Dan Diesel got us lost, didn't know where we were going. He said we were like right down the road. You're amazing. You're amazing for that either way. Now we're gonna enjoy and embrace the beach part of the ocean. We're not going to the pool. Maybe later on tonight we'll go to the pool, but we have a special guest who has arrived, Raisa and Leo. Shout out to you guys. It is that much more fun with you guys along. But my son is driving me nuts because he wants his whatever Among Us. He wanted his Among Us to speak on camera.
Among Us, I've been waiting for you to subscribe and hit that bell to run.
Stranger, suddenly knows everything.
I got him, guys. I got him. Go get Joey. I'm gonna die. This is what I call a beautiful, beautiful weekend. Chose the best weekend to be out here in Maryland. We're calling for rain, but it looks like there's gonna be no rain here. This is right now, and the water, the temperature of the water it is amazing. It's beautiful. It's not too cold. Last time we were here, it was pretty cold. This time, it's pretty good. The waves are nice and big, boogie boarding. That's what we're doing. It is getting kind of cloudy there though. Vanessa, is there a message? Is there a message you want to tell Danny from last night?
Still. Is it supposed to be a PG channel? I think so, right?
Is that what?
It's supposed to be a PG channel, right?
So this right here is where I was able to get my cooler from above, Operation Cooler in Pool without getting caught. That's what it was called. And I would basically go over, jump on there, grab the ice. My daughter will hold it up, grab it up, bring it in, and that's how you get in there for free.
I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, make a wish bro. Dijo el compadre que iba a llover, que vámonos.
Pero di que todo el día.
Yeah, all day.
But you know what? It was supposed to rain the whole weekend.
I love being out in the water. You guys can tell?
Love the way we are together. I think we always stay this way. And I wanna build my whole world with you and
El corillo mío está en la agua. Corillo, mi corillo.
Es que quiero quedarte y no tener que inventar. Seguir respirando, me llena de alegría. Deja el agua para la seca, todo el mundo en pastilla en la discoteca. Y me enamoré de ti.
Off to dinner.
No solution.
I enjoy this boardwalk. I just don't enjoy the fact that my daughter like, takes advantage of me, try to take all my money, buying hats, sweaters, shirts that she already got the year before.
No shirts or sweaters or anything else besides this hat was purchased.
Make sure to
And I got a discount because I came
to
yesterday.
any
You went by yourself because I didn't know about anything about discount.
I
And
told
I'm telling
you
the negotiator,
yesterday.
I told him to give it $20. We are on the boardwalk. We're about to eat dinner. We're waiting for Raisa. We're waiting for everyone to arrive. Dan Diesel's nowhere to be found. This is the message to Dan Diesel.
Look at,
Go nighty night, because that's where you belong. To eat some Mexican food. We're all dressed up. Who ordered that? Dale una manita ahí. Dale.
No solution.
I have a question for you guys.